Can I change my LLC to an S Corp? Hi, I'm Candice Cane. I'm a tax advisor here at Robert Hall & Associates, and today we'll be talking about whether I can change my LLC to an S Corp. I'll be covering what the requirements are to make that change, what the timeline and deadlines are for making that change, and what some of the benefits are for making a change from an LLC to an S Corp. So if you already have an LLC, it is probably a single member LLC or it's a partnership if you have more than one member. Either one of those can file for an S election and become an S corporation. You file a form 2553 with the IRS, and that form elects the S election. And it's a treatment for taxes that you're treated as an S corporation instead of just an LLC or partnership. Now, this form would normally be filed within 2 months of registering your LLC or your corporation with the state and IRS. If you don't file it then you're going to do a late election. And a late election is allowed for up to 3 years from the beginning of the tax year that you wanted it to start. So say you're doing your taxes for the 2025 tax year, it's April 2025, and you realize you should have done an S election for 2024. Well, you still have time to go back, file a late election as of January 1st, 2024, and then be able to file your 2024 taxes as an S corporation. You can do that up to 3 years in arrears. So if you are consulting with your tax consultant, that may be something that can help you out with your taxes this year or going forward. Now, I usually advise my clients to convert from a straight LLC to an S corporation when their net income is over $40,000. That's when they start to receive more benefits as an S corporation than they're paying in extra fees. So a single member LLC doesn't have to file an extra tax return with the IRS. They may have to file a tax return with the state, so there's some cost there. They may need to pay some taxes to the state, and there's some cost there, but they're not filing a separate tax return with the IRS, and they don't pay for that extra expense. Also, with an S corporation, you're going to have an expense for payroll. You're going to need to pay yourself a reasonable salary and file a W-2 for yourself and any other employees in your company. So that is a little bit of an extra expense, but that's part of the benefit. You pay income tax and self-employment tax on that W-2 amount, and the rest of your income comes through on your K-1, and you don't pay the self-employment tax on your owner income that comes through on the K-1. So that's a way to save some tax on your S corporation over the LLC. Plus, the S corporation it has a very low chance of audit. They audit about 1% of S corporations. And when you have your single member LLC on your personal return, it's on a Schedule C, and that's a much higher rate of audit there. So that's another benefit to having the S corporation. So if you are thinking of converting your LLC to an S corporation, give us a call and we can definitely help you get that done by filing the form 2553. As always, remember to click the link below for more information or to sign up for a free consultation with me or one of my colleagues here at Robert Hall & Associates. Thank you.